Supercharge your English learning with digital flashcards and multimedia. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic: digital flashcards and study aids. We're not just talking about simple text flashcards. We're going all out by incorporating multimedia and interactive elements. These can truly enrich your English language learning experience. Traditional flashcards have always been a staple in language learning. However, digital flashcards can take your study session to a whole new level. Not only are they easy to make, but you can also carry them wherever you go on your smartphone. Key benefits of digital flashcards: portability, access them anytime, anywhere. Customization, personalize your study material. Tracking, easily monitor your learning progress. Words are powerful, but let's face it, sometimes they're not enough. Imagine learning the word ocean, and instead of just seeing text, you also get a beautiful image of the sea, along with the sound of waves. Multimedia elements can help you engage multiple senses, making learning more immersive. Types of multimedia elements: images, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Audio, hear the correct pronunciation. Video clips, see the language in action. Interactive elements can take your flashcards from static to dynamic. With these, you're not just passively absorbing information, you're actively recalling and applying it. Interactive elements you can add: multiple choice questions, test your understanding. Fill in the blanks, assess your recall ability. Drag and drop, engage with the content more deeply. So, how do you go about creating these multimedia and interactive flashcards? 1. Choose a platform. There are various apps like Anki, Quizlet, or Cram. 2. Start simple. Create a basic card with text. 3. Add multimedia. Upload images, audio, or even small video clips. 4. Make it interactive. Add multiple choice questions or fill in the blanks. Pro tip: always review your flashcards regularly to reap the full benefits. There you have it. By incorporating multimedia and interactive elements into your digital flashcards, you're not just studying. You're creating a multi-sensory, engaging learning experience. I hope you found this video useful, and I'm excited to see how you use these strategies to supercharge your English language learning. Happy studying!